Local people are here also. Outside. So we will stay here. Let them be there. Because you are here, that's why we were then. Let people can tell you. Let people can come. Let them remain our concern. I am not trying to show authority. I am not trying authority. You are trying to say I am doing my duty, sir. What duty? This is your duty to create this tension. No, I am not creating tension. This is the duty to mandate people. I am not mandating people. Yes, they mandate them, sir. You are not people like him. I am talking. They are shooting us. No, they are not talking for anyone. We are what? You are going. No, I am not saying that, sir. People can tell you. Who? This is not like not. Yeah, let's come in. This entire deployment creating unnecessary tension. Deployment from Mongolia. Let him talk. You keep quiet and you step aside. Let him talk. Let him talk. Let him talk. Let him talk. What will you do? What will you do? What will you do? You are trying to show. What will you do? Since yesterday we see. No, sir. What will you do? Here with me, sir. What will you do? What will you do? You tell me. What will you do? Control your officer. I am not control. Is this the way you are? What will you do? I'm not doing so. What will you do? What will you do? I'm not doing it, sir. I'm not doing it. I am not doing it, sir. I'm MLA from Mumbai. We have come here to that should not happen. You should respect. We have our own decisions. Now the CM level talk has just started. Not even within 2 days. Now this thing is happening in the border. This is unacceptable. We status quo. So respect होना चाहिए ना? नहीं नहीं. Let us decide. Other disease level. Yeah, this will not create unnecessary tension. People are patrolling living in fear. Truck will come. They will get panic to the people also, no? They will unnecessary think, अरे ये लोग क्या करने के लिए आया? That's why. ये कोरिया से वहाँ पे आउटपोस्ट बनेगा इसे सब फैला हुआ है। इसे सब इतना खबर है। जाने के लिए बोलो। I understand. Why they because of being all these issues they also. But this is human nature. Human nature. See now. Nobody can stay here for long. We have to go for own work. We leave from here, and with due respect, it's the last request. Don't deploy more than 2, 3, 4. Just deploy platoon here. It will create unnecessary tension. Like that. We respect it. You didn't see just platoon here. Nothing with 2, 3 trucks will come and create unnecessary tension here. No. You are not creating, but you reflect. It reflects like that only. It reflects like that. Permission खोला गया. अभी तो कितना नहीं है.
अभी आपको जो रहता है हम तो अभी लोकल आदमी लोग और लोग बोल रहे हैं इन लोग को आके बड़ा धमकी देता है तो मानो धमकी ना तो ना तो लेन आप लोग बोला उस तरह लेन सरकार ले जाएगा ना तो हमारा तो मार देते हैं ना जब ना वो खाना जो being an officer police officer how can they say that word they are saying that if you go to the Assam we will attack you ये तो बहुत बुरा होगा ना सर this is very bad आप लोग को जमीन है कि इधर ऐसा बोला पुलिस ऑफिसर we forgot to record it but we forgot to record give it through
but I can record it.
people.
I
didn't take the name, but I can recognize it.
Name plate kan ibu tu.
Video, you have video record.
Record नहीं किया सर, आप लोग को जमीन है क्या ये? हम लोग को आसाम है सब लोग।
One star.
Oh, 1 star.
They started, okay, they started the quarrel. That our Fasila, they were just sitting there and they started the quarrel. They came forward and they were saying that you go to the land, this is our land. They said that this is our land. The Assam police said that this is their land. Even they said this road is their land.
हम लोग को इंसान है ना।
Even they said like that.
हाई लेवल का आदमी आएगा तो उन लोग को रेस्पेक्ट देना चाहिए ना। उन लोग काल में ठका दिया। ये भी हम लोग को पसंद है, इसलिए हम लोग बैठते रहे ज़्यादा।
Wilayah keren, berarti bat udon EDC napo Assam, udon ACP jong kiru, bat kabang Sokya mana kaliang jong ni belum kani kejing deployment jong kini ki polis ar lai trok hawan yang bi hang ni. Kani kejing hawan ya kini ki polis ar lai trok ben yang paharang ni ka su penting ka pensmit ini senong senong jong ni ro. Tak kenal wan ni wilayah keren bat ki, bat kimde ben deploy than kini ki polis jong ki hang ni, kini ben lek no. Bat kalai lek matai kalai skap, bat ingin scam bagani kejing persang ban kem ya kani ka solution bakam di ban poi sang kejing suksi kejing usnam ni kwa kolong ko bajai jai ta kejing keren ya penbet ta kom ka badai ban ginong senong jong ni ban sengan ban wilayah keren ni ngelam senong ro kadon kono bakin persang ban keren ni nyelak ban yarap long kemawut akane si tiwan jirit ni si ba ngalak ban ni kono ka huri ura lada ngim tip ya kata ngimnut ban ong ya kata ta kadang iwan hang dia ban penjai jai ban thandar ba kamram jong ni kumnong fat kolong ban thandar ngim kwa bakan ni kono kejing ya kedung kedram kejing suk ya san kata di bang ikwa
Pinjat mana yang esok ni penjak kalau adon kita jingkren lah kalau yang di border stay bah ada kim iya stay kalau ban lak ban
ngila ekran ni ki bakim dei ban lek kumta kim dei ban lek bang ngila ekran ni ki bakim dei ban lek kano ban lek ben ban lek kho ban berniam bersit iki nong senong gitu ni ngila ekran ni ki ben scam ba katakan ya ben kumta
Shisngi hadin bakaladan kecing pin ibor ki bor pulit bat majestor ka Assam ki balarat jubor ya ki post elektrik ha ka sinang yong khuli menda ka sngipat ki nong yalam ka riboy congress committee kilala iar syakte ka jaka banti binya ya ka daw halor kate ka jingja bat ru ban yakren bat ki bor pulit bat majestor ka Assam ha ka ni ka jinglet jong ki nong yalam ka RBDCC lalam khmat do ba Meral Burns MLA kumu president uba George Bilingdo MLA vice president uba Balajit Rani MDC nolor ki we ki nong yalam Lasakhiru bahak ni ke jinglet tuklar kinong ilam ka RBDCC kipin inya persya ikipulit bat majestor ka Assam da ka bakamru bagani ka jaka belakmu bante ki post elektrik bat sambording elektrik hayong khuli ka dei hapo opot usam jong jelami glayam ha ju opor kinong ilam ka RBDCC kilali bat aimin semru ya kinong song ka yong khuli
wilayah keren menta bat u incharge jong ka pilang kata ban deploy mo kindangwan ki platoon ki jong segi section sa kum arlai section bat ini scam bagajing pahara ke yang ni kan saya rap ban pensengan ni nong senong jong iru but at the same time nak liang jong i kum ka RBDCC ngin tho chau chief secretary chau BGP jong ka jela na kum ta deploy ya ki forces ha gini ki jaka bagi pat ba jong pensengan
Nah, ini bukan kajing jong chap itu mentau ini golak di galak. Kai ka yun sama begini ki pak jong kam sa galak nak ko melihat. Kai ka
ki namar begini gidi ki jaka ki don sibum ki maha penyekeran hang ni de kum bagi arli ki jela ki dang maintain ni status quo ko bagi ong tingin pet choi kata artat bah kandir terik kadon gejing keran jong ki chief minister bor arli ki jela hago hati kin ap ya kata ha ka ba ngin ngi scam ba ki ka ba bahagan ni kaliang jong ka Riboh District Congress Committee kejing dan lang iba dot kami umroh ba Balajit Rani kun kondisi kan mesti kun ketam na ko ga ni ke jong bidan ang ne ko nong yong khuli kabangat apo ka right marwet apo ka hima melim apo ka jelame khalia ga ni kadon ke jingja ka basusi ba menin ka ba nakaliang jong ka sarkar Assam nakaliang jong polis jong ka Assam kumbalai sau pertun kilawan ban weng ya kini ki post elektrik post light ban highlight ya ki katuk ni gilong ying hang ne po yong khuli nakaliang ka jong ni penremjur ya kani ka jing le donbor jong ka sarkar Assam kajing bom sunyo ya kajing ide para jela para marjan di penremjur ya kajing lek jong ki jing ja ka menin agaju ke por di penremjur halor kajing takti yau MDC jong ni ba chas marngar bola po ya kini kita ka menin nagaliang ke DCC ayo ke pendek ke lapoi ban penrem jur ya gini ke jingle ke dokti mana ke sengi dan nang ni apa ni kendu ya kini kenong yalam senong ki rangba senong di para marjan ki bala penyodan rengkat bentip kei ke baja kisah ini kumbala ban sutu hai kini ki kendiat si ki bala dep kadang don ka jing ya pendek apa deng ki menteri rangba jo gini ki arteli ki jelas ban ya keren ban pendek ya uput usam de ke baskau lengok kolong matang sisni arsni hadin baladep kini ke jing keren kelaja kini ke jing kendram ke jing dek donbor by force nak sarkar asam ya ki kampen roy ki bag jelam ke dia kan jadi pun susu biang-biang bagani ke senong yong khuli kadai pat an parcel kadai ke Meghalaya kadai hapo ka Raj Marwet hapo ke Hima Melim beri uput usam jong ke jela ke jungi bat kani kadai tang ke jing wande donbor naka sarkar asam kidan bun ke ki bagi persang ban penbit ya kinong senong ki jungi namar kata ni sngo ban kentu ya ka sarkar jela ke jungi bamdei ban island ya gi bukum kini gi jing thombor nakaliang jong ka sarkar asam nakapor sakapor kani kamdei ke bejatang benta agi por ke baladap kumali ju keren nadu arjar khandai adu ar hajar ar phau gidan adu cispa khat sautli ki jingja ki insiden hage jela barok we ki balawara ke jing susi bagi sopala bu sip ni star jong ka asam tang sian udon bidan uong bagidan du san sulai teli ki jingja baga asa ka Meghalaya ka kentur ca Meghalaya ka asam ka Meghalaya ka kentur sa asam adu arjar khandriu hadu menta ka bolong ki ka bom sola ban priang ha ka ba kidai tang ki jing yalam bakra de nyala ban i bagi jing thombor ki jing wanle donbor ki tang nakaliang jong ka asam dei terma kata ni penrem ya gini ki jingja hamtam gini ka menin bat kuwi di jingja bat ni kentu bat ni dawa nakaliang jong RBDCC baga sarkar jela gede ban sim serius ki gini ki jingja ngim dei ban sya jam ni ki jingja po Mizoram golong kumtu baro ni ki social ki ngim kwa bakan mi kono ke kendram ke bani usnam bat mata tete ngim kwa bende ya kono da ke jai tang ba lada ka sarkar asam kadang yaile nak por si por kumne kanno punya isya jadi nak daw ka di ka por bag sarkar ni ka dei ban yang scam ha kanong rim badai ban penbet kloy badai ban yada yala ujong uput usam ni kenturu ki kampen roy ki babun ki badai ban wara nakaliang jo ka sarkar ke jungi badai ban ang penbun ban ba ki skim ba fer nang ginong sonong gi jong niru kin long se kin yo ki jing mentoy bandam jing terang kar ba nginang buddi nang ne sakmat nilai penbet ha ka mengenai kendu gi bor ke badai pe